Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, let's talk about the challenges that I anticipated as we start a new life here in Canada. My name is Yhani and I've been creating content here on YouTube for a while now. And isa ako sa mga nagsabi na masaya na ako sa buhay ko sa Pinas na hindi ko kayang magsimula ulit ng panibagong buhay sa ibang bansa. Alam mo yun, yung iiwan mo lahat ng naipundar mo, kapalit sa buhay sa ibang bansa na hindi ka naman sigurado. But, sometimes life presents you with opportunities that you just can't resist. And that's exactly what happened to us. So, nag-apply kami ng visa papuntang Canada through student pathway. And talagang masasabi ko na para sa amin to kasi sobrang smooth lang na naging application namin. But with every exciting new chapter, I know that there are challenges along the way. Una na dyan, drastic change in weather. It's no secret that Canada can get extremely cold, especially during winter. Bilang lamigin tayo and as a Filipino, sanay tayo sa tropical climate, alam ko na magiging challenge talaga sa akin, especially sa akin, ang winter. So bundling up in layers and dealing with snow will definitely require some adjustment. But hey, we're up for the challenge. And of course, exciting din to para sa akin kasi it's going to be our very first winter experience. And we've been doing our research, watching tutorials on how to dress properly for the cold and even invested in some cozy winter gear. Sa Pinas pa lang bumili na ako ng mga pang-inners like mga heat tech from Uniqlo and Decathlon and sa Shopee rin. Ngayon, fall pa lang dito sa Canada and talagang nagagamit ko na yung mga heat techs ko. Hindi na kami masyado nagdala ng mga winter jackets and shoes kasi madami naman dito. And dahil may relatives naman kami dito, very generous naman sila. Binigyan nila kami ng mga sets of winter clothes and shoes kaya hindi na namin kailangan bumili. And our excitement to experience the magical winter wonderland outweighs any fears we may have. Another hurdle we anticipate facing is the cultural adjustment. Moving to a new country means immersing ourselves in a different way of life. Canada is a multicultural country and iba-ibang lahi talaga yung makakasalamuha mo dito. At syempre, iba-ibang lahi means iba't iba din yung pakikitungo. From social customs to traditions to trying to fit in and making new friends, it's definitely a daunting task. But syempre, we are embracing this challenge or this change with open hearts and minds. We're eager to learn about Canadian culture, interact with locals, and share our own traditions from the Philippines. Yung relative namin na nandito, nakapag-establish na sila ng Filipino community, kaya hindi din kami masyadong nahirapan mag-adjust. Alam mo yun, may moral support talaga kaming nakuha sa kanila, mga advice, mga tips na mga tinuro nila sa amin. The third challenge on our list is navigating the job market. Moving to a new country means building a new professional network and finding employment opportunities. Imagine, iniwan ko yung trabaho ko sa Pinas, yung career na na-build ko in the past para sa Canada. And medyo mababa yung education credentials natin when evaluated sa equivalent credential ng Canada. Yung bachelor's degree mo sa Pinas, mostly, if not all, ay 2-year diploma lang ang equivalent niya dito. And if may mga licenses ka pa, usually hindi siya accredited dito sa Canada. So talagang magsisimula ka ulit ng career mo dito. And so, kailangan mo maging patient sa paghahanap ng trabaho and continuously mag-upgrade ng skills to make ourselves valuable in the Canadian job market. And to overcome this challenge, we've started networking online, attending virtual job fairs, and researching the Canadian job market. And dito, mas malaki yung chance mo na ma-interview if may kakilala ka na magre-refer sa'yo. Sa case ko, may trabaho na agad para sa akin pagdating namin kasi may nag-refer sa akin. So, importante din na mag-network kayo para mas lumawak yung mga job opportunities nyo. Last but not the least, we anticipate missing our loved ones back home in the Philippines. Leaving behind friends, family, and the comfort of familiarity is never easy. But maswerte tayo kasi meron tayong means para makapag-connect sa mga naiwan natin sa Pilipinas. Buti na lang merong video call, may Facebook, may Instagram, at syempre, may YouTube. At least nakakapag-communicate pa din tayo kahit nasa magkabilang panig tayo ng mundo. Before I wrap up this video, I want to say thank you to all of you sa lahat po ng mga nanonood ng videos ko dito sa YouTube. Your love and support means so much to me. And I promise to bring you along on this exciting journey through regular updates on my channel. Together, we'll navigate these challenges and celebrate the milestones along the way. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more updates on our journey here in Canada. Let me know in the comments if you've ever moved to a new country and any tips you may have for us. If you have questions or suggestions sa mga topics na gusto nyong makover natin sa mga susunod na video, let me know in the comment section. Again, this is Yhani. See you again. Bye!